guys, I want to show you a quick and easy way for audio ducking music for your voiceovers. Okay guys, so this is what it sounds like without audio ducking, and here's what it sounds like with the audio ducking. It's a big difference, right? So let me show you how to do this. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and added a music file and a voiceover. Now I went ahead and duplicated the voiceover so that you could see the difference between with and without audio ducking enabled. So to get started, I'm going to use the razor tool and I'm going to cut. And why I'm doing this is only to show you the difference between without and with audio ducking enabled. And I would also like to point out that you can see the little icons here. This one shows that it's music, this one shows that it's dialogue. Alright, so let's select the music that we want to apply audio ducking to. We're going to go up to the Essential Sounds panel, to the preset, and there's two that I recommend. Okay, if the music's not too loud, you can get away with smooth vocal ducking. Now, if the music is louder, I recommend going with the hard vocal ducking because it will mute it better. Now you just scroll down. You can adjust these as you see fit, and then once you have it to your liking, you'll just generate keyframes, and you can already see that it made the adjustment. All right, now let me go ahead and show you what the difference sounds like. Hey guys, this is a test voiceover. Hey guys, this is a test voiceover just to show you the audio ducking. Huge difference, right guys? Alright, that's all I got for you for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. I'm going to be dropping video tutorials like this weekly.